Hello my beautiful Virgo, welcome to my channel. Let's see what cards are telling about your 8th to 14th of October, okay? I'm taking the cards from the universe. Next, I'm taking the cards from your ancestors. Let's see what they are telling about your timing, okay? Let's see, 8th of October, okay? Okay, 10th of, 8th of October, they are trying to tell that maybe something is ending, maybe your worry is ending, okay? That day, you are too much worried about something that is ending, that is, the circle is coming to an end, okay? So they are trying to tell that. They're trying to tell if you do be worried, that will not change the outcome. So don't be worried, okay? If you don't fix the stone, don't fix the your goal. They are trying to tell you fix your goal, or you should think about that, okay? They are trying to tell you. Okay, they are trying to tell that if you are thinking something negative, okay, don't think. Remove all those negative thinking, okay, because that will not work. Negative thinking should not do that, okay? Then 9th of October, there is you'll have again sadness, a little bit worried in that day, but they told you should not be worried. Your loved one actually are safe, no need to be worried, okay? And whatever you are about worried or thinking about something, okay, you will be very much successful in that day, okay? So don't be upset, they're trying to tell. And they're trying to tell that allow others to give you love, care, receive without guilt or apology, okay? Seven of Swords, okay? You that day maybe be careful about something. If you are dealing with someone, be careful about that person. Or if you are spend money, you also be very careful about that, okay? Maybe somebody can do cheating with you that day. There will be, if you have some personal problem, that will resolve in that day. You will have guilt, some type of guilt in that day, okay? Don't be feeling guilt. You cannot cannot do anything. And they are trying to tell, say positive affirmation each morning to open the gates of manifestation. 11th of October is some decision you have to take, okay? You have to take some decision, they are trying to tell, for moving forward. You should need to release some negative things, negative thinking or past, okay? If somebody was telling you are thinking about that, release those, they are trying to tell. And they are trying to tell, before judging, you see the both sides of the situation, okay? They're trying to tell that if you are stuck, then listen to your intuition and make a decision, okay? Um, 12th of October is very good news will come in that day. Very successful will be in that day. They're trying to tell whatever answers you are wanting, right, that is coming. Okay, they are trying to tell, and they are giving the message, whatever answers you are trying to get, it will be coming. You will be loved from everyone, okay? Everyone is loving you, don't be upset, okay? And your healing is coming from your mother. They are trying to tell that from heaven your mother is sending, or your grandmother is sending the healing from for you, okay? Then they are trying to tell that day, in 13th of October, somebody can test you, that how you are thinking or how you are, your belief system, okay? They are trying to tell you, okay? You should adjust, okay? I think you cannot adjust with anything, so try to adjust. They are trying to give you this suggestion. Maybe that day you can meet with your friend, okay? They are trying to give you this message also. And then they're trying to tell that they are trying to tell that your prayer and questions are being answered in that day, okay? Then 12th of October, maybe new friendship will come with someone, some friends, maybe you can meet with some new person who will be your friend, okay? Yeah, if you look, this readings are general reading. Maybe this can resonate or not resonate with you. If something is resonating with you, you can take that much, and rather than that you can leave it, okay? So they are trying to tell the new romantic cycle is beginning. So maybe if you are single, for them the new romantic cycle is coming, okay? And they are trying to tell the challenges are coming and going, so you have to accept the challenge, okay? To learn something, you have to accept the challenge, okay? Look at this, they are trying to tell again, your dreams are coming true. Don't quite right before the miracle occurs, so be very happy, okay? 14th of October, they're trying to tell that a miracle will happen and your dream will come in light, okay? Come true, okay? Then my beautiful Virgo, before going, please subscribe my channel and like and share my videos. You actually, if you are subscribing, then I'll have the encouragement to give you more readings about different topics. So please stay with me and share my videos with your friends and families. Until then, bye bye.